Are you looking for the best sawhorse? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose sawhorse with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right sawhorse. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. ToughBuilt. Starting our list with a durable, tough, and heavy-duty sawhorse by ToughBuilt TBC 500. This best sawhorse is made up of pure and high-quality steel and has a weight capacity of a whopping 1,100 pounds. Moreover, it has a super functional, lightweight, and versatile design to provide you with the utmost comfort. The thing we love about this sawhorse is its foldable design. Its heavy-duty and durable forelegs beautifully fold to give you an easy-to-store. Also, there is an easy-to-grip handle that makes the unit more excellent in terms of portability. In short, if you are looking for a durable, heavy-duty, and best sawhorse, this one should be one of your top considerations. Number 2. Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse. Next on our list of the best sawhorses, we have another heavy-duty option that comes with 2 sawhorses to work with. Yes, a pair. These sawhorses also have a folding design, along with adjustable forelegs, to provide you with a customized experience. Moreover, unfolding and folding sawhorses is effortless. The pair is slightly more expensive than other models on our list, but worth every dollar you spend. Further, they have a weight capacity of 2,000 pounds and can support both 2x4 and 4x4 wood panels. Also, the blade adjustment feature makes this pair more ergonomic, comfortable, and convenient. What else would you need? Number 3. Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse. Amazon Basics has been producing high-quality tools and equipment for years, and this pair of sawhorses maintain the streak. This whole bundle is extremely affordable and budget-friendly, and has a weight capacity of 900 pounds. Also, these sawhorses are made with high-grade plastic, hence, extremely lightweight and easy to transport. Like all the other units above, folding sawhorses' design makes them highly portable. Moreover, they feature non-slippery rubber feet to provide you with comfort and safety. All in all, if you are looking for an affordable and best sawhorse, this pair by Amazon Basics can be an excellent option. Number 4. Metabo HPT 115,445M. Here is another versatile and lightweight pair of sawhorses by Metabo, with never-ending and amazing features to offer. With the pair of sawhorses, you will also receive 4 sawbucks to cut your sheets and panels, as per your desire. Incredible, isn't it? Moreover, these sawhorses have a weight capacity of 1,200 pounds, which is ideal. The thing we love about these sawhorses is that they are equipped with built-in storage shelves and cord hooks to provide you with an effortless working experience. The best part is the whole unit of this best sawhorse comes fully assembled, so less effort from your side. However, the design isn't foldable, but the affordable price tag makes up for it. Number 5. WORX WX051. Ending our list with a high-tech and best sawhorse with incredible features and great functionality by WORX. Note this, it is not just a standard sawhorse, it is a proper work table. Acting as a work table, it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and acting as a sawhorse, it has a weight capacity of 1,200 pounds. See, extremely versatile. The best part, the whole unit magically folds up like a suitcase for you to carry it anywhere you desire. The whole unit is extremely sturdy. It has a feature that locks the sawhorse in place while you are working. Hence, you can completely stay safe while working. Moreover, the whole unit weighs only 30 pounds. Hence, very lightweight and easy to store. Not to forget, there is a built-in shelf at the bottom as well to store your additional tools and equipment. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.